तो मेरे को जेन्युइनली बचपन में लगा
हाँ.
कि काटा लगा is my song.
Sexy, Mergillo. I was very young when it came out. Amiya se Amu is pregnancy, right?
Amiya se
I don't like Sheila ki Jawani.
I just don't like her agency of her bodily autonomy. That's what you don't like.
I think
She's
she
used agency and autonomy. She's one.
I think she could.
That thing.
Yeah,
Yeah, is that above Sheila?
Can I be very honest? I was looking at Allu.
Who said
He's dancing with
कि
a show.
Samantha is the one you are supposed to
Oh.
keep your eyes on?
Yeah.
And you have collaborated with some musicians who have made some problematic songs.
I have not.
You have never?
Hey,
Hey.
Baby.
ऊंचे से ऊंचा बंदा पॉटी पे बैठे नंगा.
फिर काहे की सोसाइटी
की
सारी
society.
के सपाखंडा मेरे पिकल्स ने मुझे छुआ भी नहीं ऐसा वैसा कुछ हुआ भी नहीं
पेट्रोल से
Oh, welcome to another episode of Popcorn Hour. I'm Shantanu.
I'm Akanksha.
And today we have with us a very special guest, a very close friend, rapper, improviser, musician, actor in recently released movie Happy Patel, Srushti Taude in the house, guys. All MTV Hustle fans, that's your camera, Srushti. Just tell all MTV Hustle fans to follow us immediately.
Don't tell me what is my camera.
अब
I
तू
will
उधर
decide
देखी?
that.
You saw there.
Yeah,
Oh, so all are your
that
cameras?
was my choice.
Oh, sorry. That was her choice. And
Neha Dhupia represent. Yeah.
on that note,
that
where
note.
she speaks about choice and consent,
Yes.
we will talk about what we are discussing today. Akanksha?
I'll take it. Okay, today we're going to talk about, so you know how we all grew up on songs that we later realized, fuck, iska meaning to ye tha. Like slightly like off, bachpan mein aise, we used to dance and all on these songs, but wrong for kids to be dancing to those songs. So basically, in a nutshell, what we're going to talk about is songs which we misunderstood growing up, but still like maybe even after adulting, we're like, ठीक है, मतलब ठरकी है, but ठीक है. So we'll cover that whole spectrum of ठीक है, नहीं है, ठीक है, whatever, all of that, okay?
कौन ठरकी है बट ठीक है तुमको.
ऐसा नहीं है क्या मैं तो है 3-4 है dude मैं तो है 3-4 which अगर डांस फ्लोर पे बजे मैं तो I'll dance like it's
Oh.
impossible for me not to
इंसान नहीं
dance.
गाना.
Alright.
4 ठरकी गाने तुमको allowed है.
correct
Okay.
correct
So what?
so let's go with the first one Shristi, you
Alright.
tell us some song that you grew up on which later you realize fuck ये क्या मैं क्या गा रही थी
Okay, I'll tell you एक मेरे पापा ना मेरे को बचपन में एक कहानी सुनाते थे उन्होंने बनाई हुई ठीक है.
हाँ.
और मेरी बचपन में एक मतलब लिटरली बचपन में जब मैं पैदा हुई थी तब से एक दोस्त थी.
हाँ.
एक दोस्त थी मेरी गायत्री करके. तो वो गायत्री और मैं का एक हमारी स्टोरी थी और
Hi,
पापा
गायत्री.
रोज हाँ शाउट आउट टू गायत्री.
You then-
तो
हाँ.
तो पापा एक कहानी सुनाते मेरे को बना के कि कहानी में क्या था कि मेरा नाम गुड्डी है घर का. तो गुड्डी और गायत्री एक बार गार्डन में गए और गार्डन में जाके वो लोग खेल रहे थे. तो गुड्डी के पैर में लगा कांटा. तो गायत्री ने बोला तो गुड्डी रोने लग गई. तो गायत्री ने बोला कि डोंट वरी आई एम योर बेस्ट फ्रेंड आई विल हेल्प यू. और गायत्री ने कांटा निकाला. फिर वो लोग वापस खेल लगे. फिर गायत्री को कांटा लगा. फिर गुड्डी ने बोला डोंट वरी आई एम योर बेस्ट फ्रेंड आई विल हेल्प यू. ऐसा लूप पे चल रहा है जब तक मैं सो ना जाऊं.
the same thing
Yes.
alternate
हाँ, हाँ.
इसको कांटा
Okay,
लगता है
okay,
फिर मेरे को
okay,
कांटा
okay,
लगता है वो निकलती है.
This is
इसको
very
कांटा
good.
लगता है
see
निकलती
where this is going
This is Marathi version of sheep jumping over fence.
है. तो मेरे को जेन्युइनली बचपन में लगा
हाँ.
कि कांटा लगा इज माय सॉन्ग.
Oh my
Gayatri and your
God.
bestie song
It is a song that represents my friendship.
Love and respect.
कांटा लगा.
Love
We've
and
been
respect.
living off of कांटा लगा.
Om Shanti to
तो
Shefali
कितने
Jariwala.
कांटे लगे.
But Kanta Laga was your favorite song growing up.
कांटा लगा and सजना है मुझे सजना के
That's
लिए.
actually a sweet song. I think just the remix version made it look ठरकी. गाना तो ठीक ही है.
I think I've only heard the remix version.
कांटा लगा का ओरिजिनल तो काफी फेमस है पुराना
हाँ
गाना.
हाँ.
That's
वो भी नहीं सुना.
वो मैं-
That one I'm
remix
not-
ही
actually,
सुना
It's
है.
actually a very sweet melodic song.
Yeah.
कांटा लगा the original one.
Okay. Okay.
जिसको
Who's in
इन्होंने
it? Who's in it?
Who's in the original? नहीं पता मेरे को. I know that the late Shefali Jariwala was in the new one.
Yeah.
I had the privilege of sitting next to her on a flight. Very sweet lady. I just want to say, कांटा लगा. I was always कलियों का चमन, Meghna Naidu over कांटा लगा as a boy.
I mean You don't have a personal story with
Yeah,
कलियों
where's
का
your
Actually,
diamond?
जब मैं
आपके
रात को
कलियों
सो
के
नहीं
चमन।
पाता था तो मेरे पापा मुझे को बोलते थे, मैं और मेरा बेस्ट फ्रेंड गुड्डू गार्डन में गया और मेरे को एक कली ने चौमन मार दिया. I don't know. I have no story. I'm sorry. Okay, so you liked Kaata Laga growing up. Did you
Yeah.
have a song that you liked in growing up, which is like kind of, I don't know,
Kind of
borderline,
sleazy,
borderline
like, gross
sleazy.
type?
Are you acknowledging that Kaata Laga is sleazy?
या
थोड़ा तो
Yeah,
है,
now
हाँ
of
काफी तो
course.
है.
है भाई.
Yeah, also
Full
that
on.
the remix one though, it was very like hot type, like
उसका
when you were a
चड्डी
kid.
में मैगजीन रखा हुआ है ना,
Then-
उधर ही मेरे को ऐसा लगा था
Yeah.
बचपन में कि
And
अरे,
Kaata
तारीफ
is
नहीं
what?
है.
It's a euphemism for, okay,
Of
okay,
course,
समझ गए.
चुभन
Phallic,
है,
phallic
हाँ,
euphemism is
Yeah.
Kaata.
Yeah.
Tiny one though. Kaata there's an implication of Kaata being small. A
Which
Kaata
is creating in a lot of
Kaata-
ways, it's saying accept that also. That might also happen.
it's
Like, it can still
normalizing
lago.
micro
Yeah,
penises को
Correct. It can still
normalize
lago
कर रहा है.
if you give it a
ये
chance.
प्रोग्रेसिव गाना है.
Go
Man-
small kings.
मैनोस्फीयर के लिए
It's a
प्रोग्रेसिव
progressive
गाना.
song. There's a community of micro penis boys who listen to this and feel good about themselves.
मैं तो दूसरा वाला था. मैं I have cleared my track immediately. मैं दूसरा मैं नहीं मैं.
Yeah, I had one song.
What was yours?
Gulzar Saab has written it.
Oh, good.
जबा पे लागा लागा रे नमक इसका.
जबा पे लगा लगा रे नमक इसका
And I used to think it very culturally, like it's a song to say you like, you know, like Rekha Bharadwaj,
Yeah,
Vishal
yeah.
Bharadwaj. It's one of those things that gives you cultural capital and
इन्होंने
all
बहुत
that.
क्रेडिबिलिटी दे
हाँ,
दिया.
तो मैं तो मजे में and I used to feel very serious also while singing it, and then some friend told me, I'm very ashamed to say, I realized much later, like in my 20s I realized that fuck ये तो BJ का it's slightly ew,
What?
gross.
Yeah.
Slap.
What?
Yeah, now he'll do
No,
this
you're
as a bait
acting
thing.
fully.
हाँ.
हाँ.
खराब you're acting.
मैं तो
है
वैसे ही
ना?
करता हूँ. But what?
Yeah, did you guys know when y'all heard Jaba पे लागा?
No.
नहीं ना?
Did not know when I heard.
Yeah.
Again, 20s में ही
Yeah.
पता चला.
How old were we when this song came out? Do you remember?
Oh, you're all different ages.
Similar-ish
That's the
ना, we're all similar यार.
ये छोटी है.
What
मतलब
age are you?
36 this year. हाँ छोटी हूँ.
27.
अरे ये तो फुल्ली ये तो बचपन गोद में थी जब गाना निकला.
I didn't know what it meant
No,
when I
ना?
saw Omkara. No, not at all. मुझे इनफैक्ट लगा था, I इनफैक्ट didn't like the song in Omkara that much.
Oh,
I-
you like बियोड़ा बीड़ी चलाई लेगा.
I like बीड़ी जलाई ले. I'm team
I was
विवेक
just-
ओबरॉय.
हाँ.
Hmm.
हमको ओमकारा एमए में थी पढ़ाई के लिए सिलेबस में. मैं एमए इंग्लिश कर रही थी
हाँ.
उसमें लिटरेचर में. ओमकारा
Of
थी,
course, हाँ.
हैदर ओमकारा वो
हाँ.
ट्रिलॉजी थी.
हाँ.
और ओमकारा में पढ़ाई करते वक्त ये गाना का हिट हुआ था मेरे को कि ये क्या गाना
ये
है.
क्या है यार ये?
हम ये
और
पढ़ाई
वही-
कर रहे हैं हम
वही-
इसका.
You're an MA in literature.
Deconstruction. Yeah,
हाँ.
very cool.
That's very good.
That's actually
यार, I'm
very
so
cool.
very
Yeah,
good.
yeah. Should we change the theme of the
MA in
podcast?
literature.
like fuck songs like
Poetry की
books
बातें
and-
करते हैं,
yeah,
चलो.
yeah. But they made you learn this during ME.
Yeah,
Like
like
a-
these all these
Okay,
films we
okay,
had to
okay.
study and write about.
Like indigenous adaptations.
Like
of
in a हाँ
Shakespeare.
वही वही like
हाँ.
in contextualization of a thing.
I would
nice.
I would do
nice.
MA literature.
Yeah, if you get to listen to this song and vibe and all that.
I used to like a song from this movie called Khuddar, called Sexy 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 Mujhe Log. I was very young when it came out,
सेक्सी 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 मुझे लोग बोले
and my mom and dad used to make me listen to it, and they used to sing it to me also. और उसके alterations भी होते थे, तो जो मेरा उस सीजन का निकनेम चल रहा था ना, so like if I was Shanu or like Jolly or whatever was Sango, so my mom would
Sango,
make
you are
versions.
Sango.
Yeah,
Me
I was called Sango growing up for a long time, and so was she, which
Yeah,
we
which
just
we realized
realized.
recently.
So there was my
Very
mom would
weird.
do a
Yeah.
Sango, 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 mujhe lo. And so it would keep changing. But it's interesting because what it did to the woman is, it's like लोग मुझे sexy तो बोल रहे हैं, लेकिन हाय और हेलो क्यों नहीं बोल रहे हैं? तो देखो मैं सेक्सी तो होना चाहती हूँ, लेकिन अप्रोचेबल क्यों नहीं हूँ मैं?
Good
तो
one.
it's like
But
basically
isn't a
telling
boy
them,
singing it?
no, it's करिश्मा कपूर यार.
No, sexy sexy
Girl is
मुझे लोग
singing.
बोले.
Girl is
हाँ.
singing this
बट
song.
हाय सेक्सी हेलो
Hello,
सेक्सी
sexy
क्यों
क्यों
बोले?
बोले?
मतलब बोल रहे उसको हाय सेक्सी
हाँ.
क्यों ना बोले भी है?
What are you
अच्छा,
saying?
हाय सेक्सी, हेलो सेक्सी, क्यों ना
Everything is a
बोले?
problem.
क्यों ना
इसने
बोले?
नाक घुसा दिया है उसके
क्यों
अंदर
ना
to-
बोले?
to
Oh,
bring
have
the
I
high
heard it? Have I heard it
I
as per
think
what I
you
wanted
were
to know?
trying to be like.
I don't know. See, there's definitely one antara where she says क्यों ना बोले.
Maybe. I would like to believe that she was saying that. She's like, सिर्फ sexy मत बोलो, hi, hello भी बोल दो. Ask me how I am, ना, my eyes are pure type of a lot. Like, don't be a bitch.
मुझे तो लगता
Actually,
है
this
वो
is very ये बहुत जरूरी है. ये lyric ये
ये
lyric
actually
fact
फिर
check करना
ये-
बहुत जरूरी
ये
है.
हमें बताओ.
Because I have been singing it क्यों ना बोले, and maybe that's because of my male gaze.
Correct.
I'm like, मैं तो हाय बोलना चाहता हूँ करिश्मा
It's
कपूर.
my internalized
Hey, Lolo,
guilt.
hey, sexy, hi. But you guys don't want to say hi to her clearly. So,
I'll say hi. I'll say hi, hello,
Hey,
how are you?
sexy.
hi, sexy. And she's like, "Kyun bole?" And if I just walk past without saying it, she's like, "Kyun na bole?" Just-
Is Govinda in this song? Hi, sexy, hello, sexy
yeah.
Govinda. hai kya?
This is the same guy who made Fool or Kaate, which also had one,
item song.
which had the Madhu and Ajay Devgan ka one gana, na?
What? I
It
was
was
not
his
born, I
debut.
guess.
You were definitely
"You
not.
old."
This is a good decade before you were born.
Yeah. But even I don't know.
So these are our three.
ठीक है,
Okay,
fine. Okay, so that actually got me thinking because you were saying, when do you guys think the item song became a central part of a movie? Do you all remember your first understanding कि fuck item song has informed my idea कि ये movie देखनी चाहिए, ये movie अच्छी लग रही है?
Oh,
Yeah.
so very recently,
In Happy Patel. in Happy Patel,
Objectively
मिथिला
speaking.
पलकर का जो गाना था.
वो मूवी कौन सी है जिसमें बहुत सारे जैसे ओम शांति ओम में कैसे दीवानगी में सब लोग आते हैं वैसे उस मूवी के उस गाने में सब लोग आते हैं
Are you talking about Hey
बहुत
Baby?
यस
I know.
शहजादे बेबी जी लेने दे इस पल को
No,
Can
no,
I
no,
say
no.
that slightly tier to Om Shanti Om vibe?
Don't
It's on the
compare
reject
जी
song,
लेने
right?
दे इस पल को.
Amrita Arora and all are coming.
वो actually भाई बहन ने बनाई है.
Oh yeah.
What?
Look at the difference.
Para
dude.
made one, Sajid made one.
Correct,
ना?
correct,
So
correct,
yeah,
correct.
so you were right somewhere.
हरा
Genetically correct response.
Correct. Ode to Bollywood versus Ode to Tharak. That's the difference between Om Shanti Om and
yeah,
Hey Baby.
right.
Oh, so that when you heard that song, like movie देखने में मस्त लगेगा.
नो दैट सॉन्ग अभी रिसेंटली सुना और रियलाइज हुआ कि ये सॉन्ग सुन के मूवी देखने गए हैं लोग
हाँ.
और वो सॉन्ग का तो कुछ मतलब
Movie
उसमें
में
का तो
कुछ
कुछ भी
point
रेलेवेंस नहीं है
yeah.
They're just cementing the fact that तीनों में like they just got a lot of Chul and Tharak. So they're
Right.
cementing that through the song, which we would have understood by their faces also.
Yeah,
I feel
pretty
like,
much.
like you don't really need to tell us this about Akshay Kumar. We understood. We got it.
अरमानों की इन रातों में आग लगी है मेरे जज्बातों में दूरिया है ना दरमिया.
दरमिया डाल के थॉट पोएट्री.
I just remember there was a sequence where the girls का वो कटता रहता है ऐसा मैच कट कि वो लड़कियां एंड लड़के दोनों ऐसे स्पैंकिंग मूव कर रहे हैं. If you go back to watch that music video, Amisha Patel is over spanking.
She was, yeah. We have to insert that.
Everyone
clip of
else, no,
Amisha.
like Masume
Yeah,
Makhija, Neha Dupya, Riya
Yeah.
Sen are all like,
Yeah.
Amisha Patel, like this
She goes slightly
really.
Govinda in the
हाँ,
vibe
she
also.
goes
She's
very
performing
hard.
so sexy.
Like there's no
Correct,
one
correct.
there, but oh, she's going at it.
But I love this generational thing because for her, that's like the first item song in her mind. You remember?
मैं
the first?
1993 की मूवी का कुछ मैंने
मैं तो हेलेन के
Yeah.
बारे में सोचने लगी, dude. I was like, Helen was the OG, right?
That's
like,
your generation.
No, but like ऐसे याद है मुझे.
हाँ,
Because-
yeah, Helen, correct.
Yeah. Also, her item song was part of the plot always because she was part of the movie in some capacity. Like Dawn May, for example. She's the
Yes.
bait, na? She's not just आपके नाचने लगी.
La 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 la, dee ra 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 la la la.
There is some point to it. She's trying to lure Dawn in.
Sholay,
Sholay में also she's trying to lure.
plot pushing.
Yeah, plot pushing through the song.
तो
Also
आई
great
थिंक
song.
एट सम पॉइंट इन 90s इट
ये बदल
स्टार्टेड
गया.
बिकमिंग वो ना
वही है
Let's
तभी
just
है.
insert it for titillation and not plot. 90s भी थे.
टिटिलेशन नो ब्लॉट हाँ 90s वो थे एंड देन थोड़ा उन्होंने रील बैक वापस भी किया है बाद में जैसे अभी भी इफ यू सी योर मुन्नी बदनाम हुई एंड ऑल उसमें भी अगेन इंटरेस्टिंग लिरिक्स
हाँ.
बिकॉज वो शी इज विलिंग टू लूज हर डिग्निटी फॉर द मैन ना
Darling तेरे लिए.
वो थोड़ा शी इज विलिंग टू टेक शेम कि सुनना मैं तेरे लिए बदनाम होने के लिए तैयार हूँ
Correct.
it's not an embrace of love.
No.
It's not a thing कि मैं तुझसे
Yeah.
प्यार करने के लिए तैयार हूँ या
Yeah,
तेरे
yeah,
साथ
yeah.
रहने के लिए तैयार हूँ
Yeah.
like बदनाम हो जाऊंगी तेरे लिए like what does that mean
Yeah.
what does that mean
Yeah.
there's a
Another
certain
song I would dance on a lot. When I was
self
younger.
vilification
Yeah. But it's also like embracing the badnamiyat. I think that's the cooler way to interpret it, na? Ki
But
like
na-
fuck being sharif, I'll embrace the badnamiyat tere liye. It's like that.
okay
It's
the
not
worst
a sad interpretation necessarily. It's like a
अमिया से आम हुई
you know liberating.
What is अमिया से आम हुई?
थोड़ा gross तो है.
अमिया से आम
Fevicol is
हुई?
also gross. Dabangna
अमिया
is
से आम
very
हुई is
gross.
pregnancy right
अमिया से आम
or full अमिया is a small arm अमिया से आम मीन्स की थोड़ा फिलिंग अप.
अमिया, तूने कभी बोला है अमिया
हाँ,
आम
किसने
को?
बोला है?
मैंने
अमिया अमिया
अरे ये अमिया कहोगे?
I
अमिया कब बोला?
I have
तूने?
never seen a tiny mango.
I will use this for the next.
She just went शांतनु को आम दिखाओ
But
थोड़े.
the next friend who gets pregnant, we will address like this.
अमिया से आम हो गई।
आम हो गई यार, आप अच्छे लग रहे हो काफी.
फूले ना समारे हो. But
हाँ.
no, but within the 90s.
हाँ,
right?
I was saying like let's do evolution, ठीक है? Like earlier Helen, 60s, 70s, 80s. Was
Yeah.
she dancing to the?
तुम लोग ही फिर बात
No
करो
idea.
60s,
हाँ,
70s,
move on करते हैं उससे जल्दी.
She just bhangra the shit out of this.
Helen doing bhangra would have been amazing. So हाँ, then we moved to the 90s, which is what छैया छैया. हाँ, और बताओ
But
थोड़े 90s
why-
के गाने बताओ. थोड़ा
हाँ,
shift
चोली
हो
से
गया
पीछे
ना?
गया. नीना
चोली
गुप्ता,
के
नीना
पीछे
गुप्ता, नीना गुप्ता era.
माधुरी
चोली के
दीक्षित, यार.
माधुरी दीक्षित के songs.
चोली के पीछे तो every kid has
Those
danced
you've
on.
seen.
Yeah.
Those
Yeah.
you've seen.
Yeah,
90s
yeah.
you've seen. I know.
Yeah.
We've sang them at
Yeah,
bars.
Yeah, man, I'm
We-
sure.
I am sure we have sang 60s, 70s का भी, but
Yeah.
I have not
Seen.
like shameful. I have not seen
Chole.
Helen.
Ever.
Like I can't recognize if I see her.
मोहब्बतें you've seen?
हाँ,
मोहब्बतें?
मोहब्बतें कुत्ते वाला ना हाँ.
कुत्ते वाला?
No, that's Shah Rukh you're talking about.
No, no. This is no.
You're talking-
तेरी मोहब्बत है वो नहीं वो
तेरी मेहरबानियां.
Oh, okay,
तेरी
okay.
मेहरबानियां
Sorry,
कुत्ते
sorry.
वाला है.
I'm fully
दूसरा
lost.
कुत्ते वाला it's entertainment है. मोहब्बतें is King Khan, Shah Rukh
Okay,
Khan,
cool.
Jugal.
Yeah,
Amitabh
I
Bachchan,
watched.
you've seen this. ना? This
उसमें
Gurukul.
Helen comes and dances ना. She's the
Helen is
headmistress of the
principal.
other.
Right.
हाँ, you
Okay.
got
Yeah,
it.
yeah,
Even
yeah.
now you're like, I have no
Ding,
idea what
ding,
you're talking about.
I can't
ठीक है, fuck it.
recall at all.
She brings the girls over for a party. So social.
She's like a Miss Braganza type person.
But हाँ, yes.
है ना?
हो सकता है ऐसा
ठीक है.
जैसा आप बोल रहे हो.
ऐसा तुम जवान बन जाए ना तो you have to discuss. चलो
जल्दी जल्दी
काल
तू
धमाल
बनता
के बारे में
मामा.
बात करते हैं.
हाँ, काल is what 2000s, right?
काल धमाल.
No, but wait, evolution tracking I'm doing.
Yes.
So 60s, 70s, 90s is like Madhuri Dixit, Malaika Arora Khan. Then 2000s became thoda boys also started doing item songs, correct? Like
When?
Kaal,
काल only. Shah Rukh Khan.
disco, that's the disco.
Shah Rukh.
हाँ.
But then would you-
John Abraham has also done little greasy chest dancing and all is there, dude, in the 2000s. It's a thing.
But then
Das
would you-
Bahane is item, you all think? Das Bahane
no.
kar gaye? No?
Dasbane is not an item
No?
song.
Okay.
What
Dasbane
do you
is not.
consider
What is
an
an
item
item
song?
song?
Yeah.
I think जिसमें ऑब्जेक्टिफाई किया है
Yeah.
और कोई
Item.
प्लॉट को पुश नहीं कर रहा है वो गाना और बस
हाँ.
ठीक है.
just
That
for
is an
the
item
delay.
song.
ठीक है,
Define.
ठीक
That
है.
is the correct definition.
Okay, okay.
Shah Rukh Khan Kaal Dhamal is an item song.
Dard Disco is an item song.
Dard.
हाँ. But again, Dard Disco is relevant to the plot.
Yeah,
na.
still, it's a
Achha,
film
okay.
being
like
shot.
at least relevant to the comedy. Of
Okay.
the-
That Apahij ki mohabbat or whatever is being shot in that film.
Yeah. Okay.
In that song.
जावेद
So
अख्तर ने
Dard
बिना मतलब का गाना भी सोचो इतना मतलब
yeah, that
इतना
was
सुंदर लिख दिया
very
है.
well written.
New York, LA, San Francisco.
हाँ.
Very good. Yeah. It's good.
बहुत सुंदर गाना है
No,
वो.
the lyrics are actually very good of Dard Disco.
सुंदर.
हाँ, सुंदर है. मेरे Dard Disco के lyrics बहुत
सुंदर.
सुंदर.
सुंदर in the song.
दिल छोड़ गया मुझे दिल तोड़ गया मुझे छोड़ गया तू पिछले महीने की 26
छब्बीस
को.
को बहुत सुंदर है. वाह.
What are you talking about? Dard Disco is poetry. It's poetry. Not all
Correct,
poetry
correct,
needs to be.
Javed Paglu's in the house. ठीक
We are Javed Paglu's in the
Very
house. 100%. वो पूरा खानदान.
मैं जान दे दूंगी आपके लिए.
हाँ, मैं ले लूंगा इसकी जान.
Calm down,
I'll
calm
murder for you, Javed साहब.
Okay, fine. So then 2000s we're saying Kaal Dhamal distance.
Was just no, but these were blips. It's like
ठीक है.
the Daredevil in the क्या बोलते हैं action hero,
Okay.
Daredevil in the superhero universe. It was just a one odd thing that happened,
Okay.
not actually what
Bollywood
was
reference.
pushed.
Okay,
So
fine.
like it 2000s is again 2000s became self-aware. I think some homage songs of 2000s were great, na?
When was
Like
तू चीज बड़ी है मस्त.
Earlier, that's Mora.
Madhuri era, I would say a little bit. Madhuri,
that's-
Shilpa, Urmila and all era.
You've not named the only person who should be named.
Who's there?
Ravina Tandon,
हाँ,
yaar.
okay. Tip tip बरसा पानी.
रवीना टंडन बट डीप ऑब्जेक्टिफिकेशन era था ये भी.
हाँ.
उन दिनों के स्टारडस्ट और फेमिना पे थंडर थाइज टाइप के रिमार्क्स आते थे
And थोड़ा
about
wet
the girls.
sari look was a thing.
80s.
90s मोरा 90s I would
I
say
have heard कि 80s बहुत खराब वो था.
हाँ.
हालांकि मैंने 80s में क्या देखा है, 80s का इजाजत, स्पर्श, मासूम,
वो तो
Those are
अच्छा ही
great
है, ये तो
ones.
अच्छी
और
वाली
दैट्स ऑल आई नो अबाउट 80s।
मासूम
मेरा तो
में
opinion
आइटम
बहुत
नंबर
अच्छा
होता तो बहुत आइटम नंबर
Yeah, good one. I would like to see Naseer Saab do an item song. I feel like he can do most things. Why not?
I would say nobody should at
He's done
anymore.
Tirchi Topi wale type songs he's done.
Tirchi Topi,
He's
correct.
done some item song esque stuff. He is in Mora.
Right.
He is in Mora.
I have
He's
no
the
idea
bad
about
guy.
these movies. Like this era, I have not seen.
Mora is a
anything.
great film. Anyway, that's a discussion for another
Okay,
day.
then 2010s. We've
Yeah.
reached 2010s. What happens in 2010s? Nora Fatehi is not here in the picture.
No, Nora
Katrina
Fateh-
Kaif era, guys. Katrina Kaif comes in 2010.
Now there was some
Oof.
markers of consent in Sheila Ki Jawani.
There's a lot of consent
Bro,
in
Sheila Ki Jawani is pretty like that's the song I would always stand
We
for.
would defend that, no?
हाँ, I would defend Sheila Ki
Same
Jawani.
here.
Because I know
Sheila
you
Ki-
want it, but you're never gonna get it.
Never gonna get
I know you want it, but you're never gonna get it. तेरे हाथ कभी ना आनी.
I'm very happy with that.
Yeah.
तेरे हाथ- तेरे हाथ कभी ना आनी.
Correct, correct. It's that one song that's a standout song in terms of the girl is singing about herself.
Yeah,
She's
अब
not
दिल
singing
करता है
for
हौले हौले
somebody
से मैं
else.
खुद को
हाँ,
गले लगाऊं and all.
हाँ.
Very good if you.
I'm team Chikni Chameli.
Chikni Chameli is full male gaze song.
Yeah, but I'm talking from my male gaze. I'm a Chikni Chameli fan. Is what I'm trying to say.
Between the two songs, you like Chikni Chameli more, really?
I don't like Sheila Ki Jawani. That's a song. I mean, I understand the lyrics. I understand
The
the.
video, the picturization.
It's for me,
Just
but the
don't like the consent.
overplayed. Oh, तावड़े गुस्से में आई है. Don't like consent ही बोल रही है. बदतमीज. मैं.
Badtameez.
Just don't like her agency
Yeah,
of her bodily autonomy. That's what you don't like about the song.
I think
She's
she.
used agency and autonomy. She's won.
I think she could.
That.
I think she could have been more. I think, sure. I guess that Akshay Kumar movie is the epitome of consent and
Her in it. And whoever went to
and
watch the movie watched it
liberal
for Sheila
thought.
Ki Jawani. No? Whoever went for Sheila.
हाँ, that's like वही जहाँ आप पूछ रहे थे कि कौन
So
सा
no
गाना
one
है।
went, Baba. That movie no one saw. What are you
Whoever
talking
saw
about?
it,
I
it
saw.
was a hit apparently. Farah Khan
I
keeps
like
saying
Sheila
this.
Ki Jawani and I saw the movie. I like the movie also.
More people have seen.
अरे I
Dilip
love
React.
that. उसमें वो एक सीन है जो बहुत ही क्रेजी सीन है यार वो.
गरीब. जिसमें वो गरीब.
वो भी बट वो नहीं क्या कि वो करना क्या है वाला सीन याद है
हाँ,
आपको?
correct, correct,
Fuck,
correct.
it's a very good scene.
That is a good scene.
Yeah.
बस.
अभी
Fine,
रील्स
तो
पे
इतना
बहुत पड़ा
काफी
है.
है वो तीसमार खान के लिए इतना काफी है एक
चल,
सीन
ठीक
और
है,
एक गाना अच्छा है उनका.
Okay, fair enough.
I
हम देख
liked.
सकते हैं.
Okay, I liked the Tata Young Dhoom.
There's a very gross, you remember this one?
Doom, Doom, come light
Yeah.
my fire. Doom,
End
Doom,
credits के
Doom,
बाद
Doom.
बहुत ऐसा sexual song is there.
I think Abhishek Bachchan at some point licks
Dude, it's very
a
gross.
candle.
And there's also like a
Mud
in the
bath.
mud. Yeah, it's very disturbing.
But
John Abraham
that's
and
not
that.
the OG Mud song. The OG Mud item song.
In the night, no control.
In the night, no control. क्या करूं कुछ तो बोल.
I've not seen the video.
खिलाड़ियों का खिलाड़ी. It's a Rekha ji and Akshay Kumar having a mud bath.
Oh, I've seen
Yeah.
the video.
You have to see it. It's just part of being who. Yeah, you have
Right.
to see it. It's part of adulting.
You know, actually, but because we've sort of jumped ahead by, I would say, a decade, there's this E-Nivas movie called Shool.
Yeah.
Which
Manoj
ha-
Bajpayee.
हाँ, Shool has that amazing song, no? Which I can't. Yeah, Shilpa Shetty, the Shilpa Shetty item song in Shool. It was iconic because it was one of the best films I saw which had used an item song.
Sing it a little bit.
हाँ, दिल वालों
this
के
is
दिल.
Shool.
That's Shool, right? Yeah, दिल
Iconic.
वालों के दिल का
Iconic.
करार लूटने. मैं आई हूँ यूपी बिहार लूट ले.
That's a very good song.
That's a
good song.
great song.
That's also giving Sheila energy. No?
Yeah, exactly.
See,
That-
मैं
for
OG
that
हूँ, bro.
reason.
तुम बच्चों को शीला वीला पसंद है. I'm an OG Shilpa guy.
Is there any conversation on consent, agency, or bodily autonomy in this song? Maybe that's why you like it.
There
There's
is.
none.
Later, she's like,
Hardly.
मैं आई हूँ. No,
All
no.
the forwards.
That's just a lady who's come to win over hearts.
Yeah.
And
I would hope
her
we
her
had-
conversation is above this whole Bechdel test failing. She's above men. She wants to
Yeah.
win states altogether.
Oh.
हाँ ये नहीं चाहिए तुम्हें. यहीं पे आदमी औरत में लगे रहो तुम लोग. हाँ. What about moving ahead, conquering the world?
I'm trying to sing the whole song in my head to see if there's anything
Yeah.
problematic. Just to fucking catch you on this.
दोनों भी एकदम शांत हो गए एकदम से. हाँ,
नहीं यार
और
सही गाना
बोलिए
है, सही
मर्द.
कह रहा है. Fuck ये जीत गया क्या यार?
मर्द जीत गया क्या
Very
conversation?
bad,
No, no.
very bad.
No, I think इस गाने बाकी गानों में तो मिसोजिनी जीत रही है और ये गाने में कैपिटलिज्म जीत रहा है, दैट्स व्हाई इट्स
ओह एम्बिशन जीत रहा है. आई डोंट नो, तुम कुछ भी घूम के मिसोजिनिस्ट नहीं लैंड कर रहा तो कैपिटलिस्ट बोल दोगे मेरे को. तुम
She's a literature student. I'm on her side.
ओके.
There's also, I want to acknowledge Kajrare also. It's
Oh,
another
yes.
song I would defend.
मेरा चैन वैन सब उजड़ा
Sheila Kajrare, and now sadly
Yeah.
UP Bihar is also on the list of songs
नीना
I
गुप्ता
apparently
ने
like.
चोली के पीछे क्या है
Yeah,
इन
yeah.
खलनायक.
With Madhuri. It's a Madhuri song, na, predominantly. Choli ke piche is a Madhuri song. No one would call it a Neena Gupta song.
I would call it a Neena Gupta song.
No.
Why?
That's sweet.
She's in it though.
She's in it, but it's like more of a Madhuri song. Like Ek Do Teen and all these are Madhuri's like item gaane.
चोली के पीछे I would assume is more her, but
Let's
that
call
means-
it the Neena Gupta
But
song.
it's a song of male curiosity because Subhash
No.
Ghai wrote, directed, and produced it. And
Every episode one.
every episode I take one dig at Subhash Ghai for having no for there being no
Conscience.
repercussions to the allegations that surfaced against him. But yeah, usko
चोली के पीछे क्या है चुनरी के पीछे हाँ.
he's just like it's just one little like one curious kid.
ये दिल में दूंगी अपने यार
यार को
प्यार
अपने
No,
प्यार
I'm
को
not
this is
interested
not
anymore.
it's also not
No, but the
curious.
next
दे रही
lyric is
है यार.
better.
that is a good item
So-
song कि deny the men
So
access
far
to
nothing
you.
has matched Sheila की जवानी.
Nothing.
You're saying that
Kajrare little bit yeah. Kajrare
कजरारे तेरे कारे कारे is still
no it's still about like slightly
it's still an ode to a woman, na?
Yeah.
तेरे गाने गानों की बनाई दे.
That's
It's
the
a
thing,
man
you're-
praising a woman.
हाँ लेकिन you're giving an ode to the woman to what? Just her physical attributes, that's all.
But man giving ode
But-
to woman's physical attributes over woman herself saying मैं नीलाम होने आई हूँ या चिपका ले फेविकॉल से तो बेटर है.
हम उसको स्टैंड नहीं कर रहे हैं.
तुम
हम
stand
शीला
एक ही
की
चीज
जवानी
में-
को बोल रहे हैं जिसमें वो बोलती है कि मैं खुद को मेरे को गले लगाने का मन कर रहा है. I am comparing with that.
Delhi
And
में-
I think we are winning.
Sheila, where does oo anta can someone tell me how to
Oh.
say it?
Anta mama
Yeah, is that above Sheila?
అంటవా మావా అంటవా మావా
Because there was a huge debate now when the song came out that it's about female liberation.
100% over Sheila,
owning your
guys.
sexuality. I somehow the video did not make me feel like
Yeah, the
empowerment
video did
at
not.
all. And I found the argument very like convenient. The timing of it was very convenient that CC open liberation and all that. You can't just internalize objectification and then say it's liberation, if that makes sense. You can't, that doesn't make
नहीं मेरे को नहीं आया समझ.
ऐसे internalize मत करो कि हाँ मैं तो हूँ hot objectify करो, but then the steps are very like for the boy to
हाँ, the steps are very male gaze.
the steps are for the
male
boy
gaze-esque.
only na. Sheila ki Jawani, she's dancing alone, having a good time alone. In Ooh and Mama, she's not dancing alone.
Although
She's
Sheila की
doing
जवानी में भी
little-
she's surrounded by men all through
Yeah,
the
yeah.
but she's not
video.
doing this weird.
हाँ.
You know what I'm saying?
Vishal
She's not
Dadlani is in that
doing
video.
dibbidi dabbidi shit.
Yeah, exactly. Well
That's
said.
not dibbidi dabbidi
Well
shit.
said.
Also,
Yeah.
the lyrics of Uwanta Wawa are
They
amazing.
translated
yeah.
a little bit now for
Huh.
me. I don't know.
Uwanta Wawa is saying, and if it literally translates to whatever, if I wear the shortest dress, you're going to latch at me. Even if I fully cover my body,
Whoa.
you're fully
Yeah.
gonna dress at me. Whether you're
I
a
might as well.
whether you're a whatever. Whether you're a like a senior ranking person or a low life, it all boils down to you just wanting me in bed type ka lyrics hai wo.
Okay.
It's like so it doesn't matter
Then
how
I
I
think
dress,
the
you
video
are
didn't
a
do justice to the song. The
Yeah,
song
that's
is
but
what
it
I
got
mean.
it a wider audience. You go wider and educate.
Ew.
I don't think anyone got it. That's the thing with these songs now. No one's listening to the lyrics as much as they're looking at the titillation visually. Or we just discussed like
Andhra
this,
mein to
the
log
Bape
samajh pa
Raga
rahe hain
Raga. But that's not enough. Also, no, that's not why the song became a hit. If it
तो
was
अगर आंध्रा
picturized
में
too,
लोगों को भाषा समझ में आ रही है तो वीडियो की जरूरत ही नहीं थी. आंध्रा में तो समझ पा रहे हैं.
बस गाना चला दो.
बस एक ब्लैंक स्क्रीन लगा दो टीवी पे.
Yeah.
हाँ, और यह एक समंता की एक ऐसे फोटो है TEDx बोर्ड के नीचे और उस पे
With the word like consent, agency, autonomy, all the words that we have discussed today. should
This
be
is
on
the right
Yeah.
Allu Arjun movie that
But
needs to be.
you guys think she agrees that the video should have been different.
Yeah, yeah.
You don't agree the video should have been.
The video was okay, man. Like there was nothing wrong. It pushed plot.
The disjunct between the
It
audio
fully
and the
pushed
visual.
plot, and I was can I be very honest? I was
Always.
looking at Allu.
That's weird as fuck.
I was looking at Allu. I was looking at Allu throughout.
That is very weird.
Allu
No,
greater than
I
Sallu.
support
Allu
you.
the
What are
greatest.
saying?
You support,
More than
right?
Samantha.
Yes, yes.
Allu was amazing
More
in
than
it.
Samantha.
Yeah.
In the song.
That's the whole point.
Bro, he's dancing with the shoulder up.
Who said
He's dancing with
कि
the shoulder.
Samantha is the one you're supposed to
Oh,
keep your eyes on?
So, yeah, like-
you pervert.
I was looking at the background dancer.
हाँ, अभी तो-
Anti-capitalism also. Yeah, yeah.
मैं तो
I'll be
अपनी
like,
किताब
background, background
मैं तो
dancer.
किताब पढ़ रही थी घर पे मैं मूवी
Music video
देखने
पर
गई नहीं
देखते वक्त हम लोग सोच रहे हैं कहीं कैपिटलिस्ट तो नहीं
गलत
हो जा
देख रहे
रही
हैं हम, गलत देख, लड़की को मत देखो ना. हाँ, okay.
Hmm,
I was recently told that मैं सारे गाने सुप्रीम कोर्ट के जज की तरह सुनती हूँ कि कभी भी किसी को सजा दे दूंगी ये वर्ड कैसा वो वर्ड
किसने
कैसा
बोला?
Oh,
किसने
give
बोला?
example, give
किसने बोला?
example.
नहीं,
Like, where did the
किसने बोला?
conversation? That also.
किसने
Give the
बोला?
gossip also.
Shame ना into this camera.
That one you can shame them.
घूम के
But where did this come from? You were discussing some song. क्या?
अरे I'm always like discussing misogyny in my life.
You remember but what?
So at some point it was about the song.
हाँ.
तो basically anytime somebody is playing a song to me कि ये देख मैंने नया गाना बनाया तो मेरा first वही होता है कि lyrics ध्यान से सुनूं मैं कि ये होना चाहिए कि नहीं मेरा दोस्त आगे से.
Oh.
Oh, you have an additional layer of a problem, na?
Yeah.
You're collaborating with the musicians.
Yeah.
So like, and you have collaborated with some musicians who have made some problematic songs.
I have not.
You have never?
Hey.
Hey.
Baby.
That is the best segue out of a. That is the best segue out of a
Bubbled up
conversation.
inside me and the step also is like...
Oh, you have not. You have not.
No.
Not yet.
No, I will not.
But we can talk
I
about
will
this.
not.
What? I have questions.
तो सिर्फ पूरी लाइफ राम संपत के साथ काम करना है क्या? एक ही तो ढंग का आदमी है उसके साथ कितना काम करेंगे?
But is it actually, if one thinks about it, lyricists mostly men, her industry में mostly men ही होते हैं. Are there female lyricists who are famous?
Hardly any.
No,
अभी
ना?
जैसे मैं सोचने बैठूं तो याद ही नहीं आएगा.
Lyrics by Sameer is a man. Lyrics by is his first name, na?
Yeah, lyrics by is his first
Lyrics
name.
by
Lyrics by middle name.
Lyrics by-
Sameer. हाँ.
lyrics
lyrics by-
sexuality Sameer.
क्या? But actually there are no female lyricists, are there?
Hardly any. अरे यार, oh my god, I
है
forgot.
Kausar Munir.
हाँ, Kausar Munir. There is.
Avantika?
Avantika Dasani is an influencer.
No, the one who made Kala. The movie Kala, Bulbul.
Oh,
She's
oh,
a
okay, okay.
lyricist.
Ishita. Are you trying to
No,
say
that's
Ishita?
Moitra. That's different.
My God.
You all know what I'm talking about.
Yeah,
na?
I know.
I know there
but-
are two Munir sisters. Rehan.
Kausar Munir, I know.
Kausar and I think I know there are Munir sisters who do.
I thought Kala and...
अमिताभ भट्टाचार्य मर्द है क्या?
Yes, shut up.
चेक कर रहा हूँ भाई.
So this is
Okay.
actually, you can talk about this, what, Shrishti? That
What?
like it's difficult to, I don't know, put forth or like underline the fact that you're both misogynistic, eh? And you just back off or you talk about it when the song comes, when you
I
all are
mean,
writing.
मेरे को लगता है मत लिखो ना.
बोल सकते हैं क्या ऐसे
पर तू
बोल
बोल
सकते
के
हैं
निकल
क्या?
जाती है गाने से.
हाँ, मैं
Oh,
बोलती
ए
हूँ.
ये घटिया मैं नहीं कर रही.
नहीं मेरे को करने के लिए मेरे पास नहीं आ रहे हर बार गाने.
Oh.
बस ऐसे ही सुना रहे लोग. मैंने एक गाना बनाया है ये
ओ
lyrics
तो
को.
okay,
वहीं
okay,
पे
okay,
बोल
okay,
देते
okay.
हैं.
और उन
understood,
पे मैं
understood.
उनको बोल दे रही हूँ कि ये मत रिलीज करना भाई.
Understood.
Diggy bam.
But it might work even then.
अरे that's
like-
the thing ना.
Yeah,
It might
yeah,
work.
yeah.
That is
It
the
will work
problem
actually,
कि
predominantly. it will.
again something like this might work.
Got it.
What are the most problematic lyrics that you have ever heard of any song? Like even video छोड़ दो, item भी छोड़ दो 2 minutes.
just गाने.
When I say item, I mean song.
समझ.
Just item
ऊंचे
छोड़.
से ऊंचा बंदा पॉटी पे बैठे
बैठे
नंगा.
ऊंचे से ऊंचा बंदा पोटी पे बैठे नंगा
फिर काहे की सोसाइटी
की
साली
society?
के सपाखंडा मेरे पे कलेजे we sang the song for sure in the
सोसाइटी कैसे आ सकता है तीसरे लाइन में यार. ऊंचे से
छोटी
ऊंचा बंदा
छोटी
पॉटी पे बैठे
स्कर्ट
नंगा.
no what
ये
she
तो
says
राइम
ना,
भी नहीं होता ना.
"Hey,
होता है क्या
आज
राइम?
स्कर्ट छोड़
Hardly.
रहा है आज हाथ पकड़ रहा है कल स्कर्ट खींचेगा
Oh my
that's how
God,
it starts
yes.
that's how it
Oh,
starts
Honey Singh
आज
also
हाथ
was.
खींच रहा है.
No, no.
कल स्कर्ट खींचेगा ना.
Oh my
खींचेगा ना।
god.
and our queen Deepika in it
Oh, a
this
cocktail.
no
में
no
बैठे
यार
मतलब
this दम मारो
नाची है.
दम रोहन सिप्पी
अच्छा हाँ.
Sad
Queen.
है.
our queen Deepika Padukone is my I love you
I'm thinking I'm bad with lyrics, but I feel like maybe some Honey Singh song must have been the worst.
There
I'm
is-
sure there'll be
much.
something.
there
that
is
I'm
one
like,
there is one OG
that's yeah.
But
जो हम
it's
सिर्फ
not a
YouTube
Honey
पे
Singh
सुनते हैं.
song.
हाँ,
You know?
that was AI before AI.
CML ना,
no,
CML.
no
What are you
artist.
talking
Huh?
Nobody.
CML. I'm doing the short form of it.
What is CML?
CML.
अरे.
I am guessing the short form, but I don't know what song
Acha,
this is.
she's saying one phrase that appears in that.
Yeah, right.
That only.
Ah, but
ना.
that's not the title.
That's not the
Oh, that's
title.
not the title. I've
No.
The
only heard
title,
that.
in fact, is a female genital, not a male genital that you're
God,
referencing.
Dude, what the fuck? Okay.
Self goal, Akanksha Pandey marti hui.
Worst, you said that one, this potty, whatever you said.
I mean, if not,
The
we're not talking
worst.
about item songs. Although, क्या है?
We are not talking about item songs. We can this.
thinking songs.
This is
वो
problematic
Damaradam
enough.
is an item song.
Dammarodam is 100%
Of
item
course,
song.
yeah.
Dammarodam is
Yeah,
100%
yeah.
item song.
And they added all this. The OG song doesn't have all these words.
Yeah.
Just they've added on their own.
क्या सोच के
हाँ,
you
सही
add
में।
ऊंचे पे ऊंचे से ऊंचा बंदा पॉटी पे बैठे नंगा?
I just
क्या
can't.
मतलब I always imagine whenever I'm like listening to these songs, I'm imagining कि राइटर बैठ के जब लिख रहा था तो उसने लिखा ये ऊंचे से ऊंचा
बैठा।
बंदा पॉटी पे बैठे नंगा, फिर काहे की सोसाइटी उसको क्या लगा रहेगा, उसने क्या किया, किसने लिखा है?
और
ऐसा
लोग उसके आसपास बैठ के सर ये फटेगा, ये वाला फटने वाला
सर ये फटेगा सर, ये पॉटी पे बैठे नंगा है ना.
क्या लिखा है ये यूथ को अच्छा लगेगा, ये यूथ को.
इसका रील कटेगा रील.
Now
This
actually they must be making like.
new song you've heard, that Nora Fatehi one.
I was just gonna get to. I think we need 5 minutes just dedicated to Nora Fatehi.
Yeah.
Nora Fatehi
I've
has
not
to be
heard the
discussed.
song, but I know.
Which one? Oh, the one that got the controversy.
It's
can
a भरे
assume
एक
everything.
सारी अंदर डाल,
controversy.
एक बूंद मत गिरा.
Yeah, bro.
It's like fucking like why bro? करी दो फिर. Like
It's some
you
like
can-
it's not Bollywood, it's some South.
Yeah.
it's the Indian film industry. It's
Sorry,
a
my bad.
If we
Kannada
discuss this, will
movie.
it become controversial?
Bharat.
We can discuss.
We can discuss totally, ना?
हाँ.
तो
आ रहा है.
यार बोलो.
Opinion
Body
फेंक के
language
मारना.
was-
simple opinion है, nothing controversial as such in that. But if her argument is, वो छोड़ो यार, मत नहीं करता है.
करना बोल.
अब तो बोल ही दिया.
If her argument is that उसको lyrics का और translation किसी ने बताया नहीं था हिंदी,
हाँ.
कि ये हिंदी में क्या है, तो जो हिंदी गाने की है
हाँ.
उसका क्या? उसका तो
Past
हिंदी था
वाले
ना
जो की
ऑलरेडी,
है ना।
और तेरे को हिंदी
She's
समझता
lip
है.
sync to Hindi, no?
She's done ना वो हाय गर्मी.
हाँ, the dirtiest
And-
step ever, dude. That
Hi,
one.
Garmi.
Yeah,
Oh, the
literally.
floor bang.
Which
Yeah.
then became a thing. A lot of people started.
Yeah,
became
yeah.
a trend.
All the boys
Yeah.
I know are doing it.
It's
It
sick.
was a COVID thing. Yeah. तो वरुण धवन को तो खुद मैंने 2-3 रील पे देखा है मारते हुए. हाँ, वरुण धवन अवार्ड
मारते हुए. Correct.
मैं पानी हो गई.
हाँ, that's
मैं
Jacqueline.
पानी हो गई.
That's Jacqueline.
It's a strong lyric.
मैं पानी. What is the before after of the song? इतना ही है क्या?
हाँ, उसने मुझे छुआ भी नहीं. ऐसा वैसा कुछ हुआ भी
गलत है
नहीं. Something. मैं पानी हो गया. That's what it is. It's a squirt without touch.
Yuck, don't say that.
There, that's what it literally translates to that. It's a Bluetooth squirt.
Yuck, bro. Oh, this is what raises wrong expectations for boys who think this works. Like just ऐसे Bluetooth.
मैं
से-
ओवरसाइज जैकेट पहन के निकल जाता हूँ बस सड़कों पे बाहर से.
गर्मी में भी स्वेटर पहनूंगा. हाँ, this look is.
हाँ,
okay.
but no. So any other lyric?
I have, but mine is, I'm thinking item song only. This Fevicol I find very gross. Yeah, she's
Very
literally
gross.
reducing herself to food.
मैं तो तंदूरी मुर्गी हूँ यार कटका
मैं टंगड़ी कबाब हो गई, मैं ये हो गई. मतलब ये बहुत ही. And it's
No,
ultimately.
टंगड़ी कबाब is मुन्नी बदना.
If
But
Fevicol
हाँ, मैं
Fevicol
टंगड़ी की
से-
मुर्गी हूँ यार. Correct.
मैं
That's
मुर्गी हूँ
Fevicol.
यार.
Sorry. गटकाले सही
गटकाले.
है.
भगाले मेरे को पेट्रोल से.
हाँ, ये क्या है? ये बहुत गलत गाना है. And they didn't need to do this.
And they repeated यार पेट्रोल से.
Like Munni, at least you can dance on. Fevicol, no one can dance on, bro. Munni will still dance on, na?
Like Fevicol में every line
Yeah.
some new object is coming objective.
Fevicol
She's like, what else can I reduce myself
Yeah.
to? And then she's like, it's the worst.
मैं तो
पटाले से या मिस कॉल से. What
पटाले
are
से-
your standards?
It's a voice note squirt.
Don't say
Why
squirt
that?
again. Just don't say squirt again.
And all these songs have encouraged us so much to lower our standards
Yeah.
all the time.
Also defining what sexy looks like, na?
Yeah.
Like till you're older, you don't realize that this is quite repulsive and disgusting.
Yeah. I
Sheila
have
was
forgotten
hot.
completely what sexy is.
Yeah. It's very confusing,
Like-
honestly. Yeah.
मतलब I
What is sexy? Let's
It's
go.
very confusing.
What is sexy in a song?
whatever involves sex is sexy is what I think.
Oh,
Oh.
representation matters, na? But any kind of sex is not sexy. Any
I
kind
mean,
of sex.
you are assuming we are assuming कि sexy has one connotation only. Like it can be sexy मतलब तारीफ है.
Mm. Yeah.
ऐसा
हाँ.
जरूरी नहीं है.
Yeah.
Euphemisms in Bollywood are so
Yeah.
tainted and dirty that it has basically ruined it for us कि unless it's sex भाई बात ही मत करो उसकी, या तो sexy दिखा दो.
अभी जैसे वो औकात वर्ड है, तो औकात का मीनिंग एक्चुअली इज नॉट डेरोगेटरी और यू नो दैट
Yeah.
इट हैज लाइक अ सिंपल
Yeah.
कि तुम्हारा ये लिमिटेशन है, तुम्हारा ये कैपेसिटी है, लेकिन अपन यूज वैसा करते हैं, वैसा सेक्सी लगता है मेरे को. कि सेक्सी तो वैसे तो बहुत चीजों को पॉजिटिवली या नेगेटिवली बोला जा सकता है.
Correct.
हमको दिखाया गया किसको बोलना है.
Correct.
अरे
Sexy. मुझे
शांति.
लोग
हाँ, शांति.
नहीं, तो सोचना पड़ता है
अच्छा,
to
अच्छा,
absorb and
सोचो,
process that. It's not like
हाँ.
yeah. But yeah, what is sexy now? Like if you're no, but truly, like if you
What is the
had to
last time you saw?
decide,
Okay,
you're like, oh,
speaking-
this is really looking visually and audio wise.
Speaking from a
This is-
song POV, you
yeah.
were like, this is a sexy
Yeah.
song.
सेक्सी सॉन्ग.
Yeah.
Huh.
Like the song is
Like everything, like it manages to like whatever titillate you, but
in a
without
good
it being
way.
problematic.
Yeah, in a good way. I'm also
मैं
thinking.
गानों को उस नजर से ही नहीं देखती हूँ.
कौन सी नजर से देख? मैं
शुद्ध साफ नजर से देखती हूँ उसे.
माय गॉड, सेक्सी सॉन्ग.
I have one. This RHTDM wala, this Bombay Jayashree, Zara.
जरा
जरा जरा बहकता है महकता है.
I think it's a nice.
Oh right, I have that era
Yeah.
also to think about.
हाँ.
Right.
जरा is a good. It's a very
Like
good
when I was
sexy
younger,
song.
when I heard it, I used to feel like a little shy. Now I can listen to it. It's in thoda
Yeah.
bindas types, but it used to be one of those closeted songs. I wouldn't listen to it.
यूं ही
in front
बरस
of
बरस
people.
काली घटा बरसे हम यार भीग जाएं इस चाहत की बारिश में.
Yeah, but hum.
Right.
She's not saying Bluetooth
Right,
wala.
right.
She's saying
It's a mutual climax.
yeah.
Is what?
Right.
Yeah.
And it's a nicely describing the experience of intimacy and all. I think Zara is a good one, and she sang it beautifully also.
हाँ, but उसका
bad-
Maddie is a bad guy in that. Yeah, you
You
don't
have to
know.
eliminate the fact that it's from Harry Stadium. You have to dissociate from the fact that she's feeling towards
So
Maddie.
you like Zara as a
Isolatedly.
representation of love on 9XM.
Oh, correct. Only listen to it on radio.
गलती से पूरी पिक जाए.
नहीं. वो
What
picture
do you have something against Maddie?
in the movie, I don't like his character.
Why?
Stalker, creep.
अच्छा, I
Aggro.
don't remember what he does.
You've not seen another one.
Watch it
I've seen that movie with you.
We went and saw it. हाँ.
अपन गए थे.
It re-released or what?
Yeah.
Re-release,
It
yeah.
re-released and I forced. I was like, सबको
She has not
रहना.
even registered it. She's seen
हाँ.
it and she's not even still
हम यहाँ गए
registered it.
PVR गए थे and a
हाँ,
good
यार,
movie.
creep है यार.
But like if you the problem.
I was paying attention to your commentary the whole time.
That
So I
is-
don't know what Maddie did.
You're a Maddie apologist or what?
I'm not. No. I'm not a Maddie apologist.
Oh, hello.
I like the movie a lot. I'll defend that I like the movie a lot. But I like the movie in a way that अच्छा it's a थोड़ा चूतिया बंदा तो है माधवन काफी चूतिया
entertaining
बंदा है
है
but
जो.
movie entertaining है and Saif Ali Khan is Saif Ali Khan यार when he is shirtless running around doing दिल को तुमसे प्यार हुआ that is sexy to me.
रोड पे है actually.
वो दिल को तुमसे that song दिल चाहता है का एक गाना है वो जो पेंटिंग वाला.
इसमें वो bubbles sexy.
Sexy
Sexy
तो
नहीं.
है. Sexy क्यों नहीं?
I don't know.
Sex-
Change your definition.
नजरिए.
change my okay.
She said
bum bum
तारीफ.
bole मस्ती में डोले. I guess I will change. bum bum bole.
छोटा
राम
बच्चा
चाहिए
बच्ची हमको.
This is the very
This is
problematic.
a problematic song, yeah.
During these times, yeah. This Ram Chai Leela, Leela Chai Ram, you all found picturization hot. That's also खुद कर रही है खुद के साथ. हाँ?
हाँ, as
Very
long
good.
as वो खुद ही कर रही है
खुद
खुद
ही
के
कर रही है
साथ.
वो. और वो
But
बटन से बंद करती है खुद.
Yeah, I see. Yeah,
But पहले से खुला था ना
हाँ,
वो
पता
किसने
नहीं क्यों
खोला
खुला.
वो क्यों बोला है
She's like getting ready and also she's like
Priyanka Chopra
Desi girl.
finds it's very difficult to make her look little obscene or vulgar when she
True.
does songs. I
That's
think
very true.
even when she does outright objectification numbers like "Assalame Ishqum Yara,"
Yeah,
again
true,
so
true.
classy and confident
Yeah,
and
yeah,
cool and just
yeah.
poised.
yeah.
"Assalame Ishqum," Desi Girl, the
Yeah.
one that you just mentioned. What is it?
I'm forgetting right.
You only named it,
What did I
yeah.
just say right now? I fully forgot. But anyway, PC songs.
PC songs, Ram Chai Leela Chai.
Ram Chai Leela. हाँ.
Yeah, all the songs that she does.
Even the one with Shahrukh, the Billu Babar one. Sir,
Khudaya
Khudaya
Khair.
Khair.
No, she did. You got me rocking and reeling.
You got me rocking and reeling.
You got me rocking and rolling. It's such a wonderful feeling.
Yeah, I don't know.
You've not seen Billu?
I
You
have.
can't say Billu Baba.
I have. Why?
There,
है
because
गाना है उसमें.
there was a court case.
There are 3 item songs in that. movie.
Oh.
Yeah, they had to drop the designation. Yeah.
Yeah. Good times, no? When these were the issues that court cases were happening for. Yeah.
This song I've not heard. I
It
don't
had
think.
3 item songs.
We'll
Actually,
make list today.
Billu is no, but Billu is an important film to discuss because
Three.
Billu has 3 item songs.
Yeah.
It has
Marjani,
Deepika Marjani
Marjani
with Kareena Kapoor,
Kareena.
Love Mera Hit Hit with Deepika Padukone, and You Get Me Rockin' and Reeling,
With
which is
Kareena,
English
the
version of
PC.
Khudaya Khair with Lara Datta and Irfan, and the English one is with this.
PC
And
and
these are
Shah
plot
Rukh.
pushing.
Yes,
नहीं, कहाँ
yes.
कुछ- अच्छा,
He's
वो
a film
movie shoot
star.
कर
They're
रहे
shooting
हैं.
a film.
They're shooting a
Right.
movie.
So he's a film
Om
star.
Shanti Om जैसा हो गया. दर्द डिस्को से
हाँ,
कंपेयर कर
yeah,
सकते
yeah,
हैं
that
इसको.
much is
Little
there.
bit, हाँ,
At least plot push ना हो, but at least justified तो है. Randomly कहीं से कुछ जॉली LLB के दारू पी के नचना टाइप नहीं आ जाता कहीं से भी कि अरशद वारसी अक्षय कुमार चढ़ के नाच रहे हैं.
Got it, हाँ.
Even Gold has some. Okay, now that we're discussing we're discussing lyrics.
हाँ.
Were there any songs that you had actually misheard the lyrics and sang them incorrectly all your life? Like,
You have all
or
that.
for a long time? Yeah, I had 2.
Tell no.
One of them was I was really small, and you have to forgive me because देखो at the end of the day South Indian like Telugu हूँ, but for the larger audience Madrasi हूँ, तो हमको हिंदी नहीं कम आता, तो we basically ओ पालन हरे
Oh shit.
तो
Shut
मैं
the
रोजा
majors.
बंजारे गाता था for a long time. I don't know. I used to think it was something Banjare, and I'd be like, Soja Banjare or something, which is passing gypsy, go to sleep
Fair,
type.
see that happen.
Like rest, take some rest, you sleep, wandering gypsy. But it had nothing to do with that, and now it's one of my favorite songs. O
Yeah,
Palan
it's a
Hare,
beautiful
probably
song.
one of the best songs of the Lagan album.
Your
a band.
misheard lyrics are also better than most actual lyrics.
Yeah.
Soja
Which is
Banjare,
not an
na?
offense.
Wow,
Yeah.
like, hey, take some rest, you wandering gypsy. Hey, bhai.
Which is similar to
Kausar,
what the
Masses,
Chill,
you
bro.
want to collab? And the other one was, I thought Pretty Woman was Kudi Kamal for the longest time.
Pretty Woman
Very
is
dude.
Kudi Kamal, dekho na,
ये इसकी
Kudi
कोई-
Kamal.
इसके कान में प्रॉब्लम.
Wax. Wax is my
Pretty
problem.
woman Kodi Kamal. You're giving ideas, huh? If anyone's watching one.
If you have heard any misheard, first of all, you guys tell,
I'm
and then
thinking.
we'll ask them to tell their misheard lyrics in the comments.
I'm
also.
thinking.
I have to misheard Shiny Nanna Senna Sana.
ये पूरा bro. Any Neeraj Sridhar, what is his name?
Shining, Neeraj Sridhar, Bombay Vikings.
any of his songs I've misheard very good one.
है ना?
ये हमेशा English आ जाता था.
He did the English bit, and Baki is Atif, that song, no?
Yeah.
Right.
हाँ, rest is
Nasal
Atif.
हो गए हम. हाँ, correct.
I
Say
can
it
do it.
once. Say
What? Which part?
Say the
what it
lyrics,
is.
say those lyrics.
Okay.
I'll dumpster it to you.
Good. Shining in the setting sun like a pearl upon the ocean. Come and feel me. Oh, feel me. Shining in the setting sun like a pearl upon the ocean. Come and feel me. Oh,
Oh,
feel
Oh,
me.
heal me. Last is
हाँ.
easy. It goes even
Thinking
deeper.
about the love we making, करना. Thinking about the love we making, life we share.
Think about the love we
you
make.
know it, bro.
She
You
knew.
do.
Now I know.
You
All this
really heard it
loving
now.
making and all, I don't know. She sat and studied. She's like, what?
Yeah, मैं
Oh
गलत
bro,
नहीं बोल.
स्कूल के टाइम पे हम we used to write down lyrics and learn. हमने शीला की जवानी,
क्या
जस्टिन
बात
बीबर का
कर रही है?
बेबी सब लिख के याद किया है
ये
स्कूल
English
में.
literature students.
Boulevard of Broken
देख
Dreams
रहा है.
मेरे स्कूल के बच्चे मेमोराइज करके गाते थे. I remember.
हम लोग क्लासरूम में ये सब लिख के मेमोराइज करके गा
भाई
रहे.
बुलेवार्ड के लिरिक्स आते हैं मेरे को पूरे. One guy came and told
And it
me.
was a
once.
flex, legit flex.
मुझे
शीला
पूरा
की
गाना
जवानी
पता है.
का फ्लेक्स करते थे लोग
Amazing.
कि लिरिक्स क्रैक कर ली किसी ने इंग्लिश.
अमीर बच्चे मजाक
And you
उड़ाएंगे
wanna
हमारा
but you
काम.
never gonna get बोल ही नहीं पा रहा कोई. तो जो बोल पा रहा है वो एकदम स्टार्ट बन जा रहा है.
I love it. We've come to the end of the episode and we've ended on Sheila Ki Jawani, which is truly it's justice done.
We are
Fuck
ending.
UP Bihar and all. Sheila Ki Jawani represent.
Don't
We
say
love
fuck
it.
UP Bihar and all into the camera. As a Pandey, you have a greater responsibility to have more love towards UP Bihar.
I am on this side of the story.
Can't try. So the consensus is that Sheila Ki Jawani is
Wins.
the greatest
Winner.
item
Yes.
song.
Lyrically, audio,
If you take out the men
everything.
from the video,
Yeah.
then तो it's epitome
Actually,
of self-love.
Akele Katrina would be amazing.
Yeah,
dude.
Akele
Yeah.
Katrina would be very good for that song.
So both of you say that the greatest song ever made in Indian history is
You know,
Sheila
I
Ki
would say,
Jawani.
yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Musician feminist POV has landed us
Venn
on
diagram.
Sheila Ki Jawani. I say Ooh Anta Wawa, Ooh Anta Wawa is the
We
greatest
should do
item
a
song
poll in the comments
ever
and see
made.
who
Please
likes
tell
what
us in the
more.
comments and tell Srushti to come back
Yes.
so that we can play more music. We can do more episodes and we can also just sing songs and do Antakshari with her because I know
That'd be a
that's
lot
her
of
fun.
favorite
Yeah,
thing to do.
Yeah.
That'd
She,
be a lot of fun.
ask her in the comments what her speed Antakshari game is and tell her to start doing it because it's crazy. Thank you so much for coming and spending time with us. And episode end.
साला आंखों से बलात्कार करता है